Om Sai Ram, this is Sai Deepak Ji here for you today. Today I wanted to share with you the Mother Earth protection mantra. This is as follows. Om Hreem Shreem Kleem Bhuvaneshwaryai Namaha Sri Ganeshaya Namaha Devuvacha Devasya Bhuvaneshwarya Trailokya Mangalam Nama Kavacham ईश्वर उवाच श्रीनु पार्वती वक्ष्यामि सिद्धविद्यमायं देवी विनियोगः ॐ अस्य श्रीभुवनेश्वरी त्रिलोक्यमङ्गलकवचस्य ॐ ह्रीं श्रीं क्लीं भुवनेश्वर्यै नमो नमः।